Good morning. Today I'm making steak Diane. It is a very quick and easy dish. The sauce is so good. I almost want to just make the sauce and drink it. So let's get started.
On Darlene's table.
All right, I'm going to start with my demi-glaze. We're going to make the sauce and set it aside. You can buy this in a lot of stores. Sometimes it's frozen, sometimes it's not. You can ask the meat department. Now to this demi-glaze, I'm going to add Dijon mustard, Worcestershire tomato paste, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. We'll mix this well and set it aside for now. So now I'm heating the oil in the skillet and I'm going to sear my steaks. I used prime top sirloin. It was very good. Now, we like ours on the rare side, so that's what I'll be doing, but I'm not going to completely cook it even now. So after it's browned on both sides, I will remove to a plate, and then we'll continue to make the sauce. Looks delicious, doesn't it, already? So about 5 minutes later, now I'm going to remove it from the fire and I'm going to add my cognac. Slowly and slosh it around. You don't want it to flame up till you're ready for that. Be careful and never leave it on a high heat. Always remove it before you add the alcohol. Now back to the fire. Back to the heat, and I'm going to light this. We're going to flame it just a little bit, let it go out. Add a little butter, a tablespoon of butter. Flame on. This can be optional. It will reduce and remove a lot of the alcohol if you just continue to cook it. So in with the shallots. We're going to cook those for a little bit till they soften up. And in with that sauce that I prepared and set aside. In with all the juices. And then the cream. I can't tell you, again, I'm emphasizing how good the sauce is. Now I'm going to cook it and reduce it just a little bit. We want it to thicken up, which it did. You want it to coat your spoon. Now back in with the steak. And at this point, and the juices from the steak, don't forget that. And then we'll cook it until your desired doneness. I served this with egg noodles tossed with garlic, olive oil, some Parmesan, and parsley. It was a perfect complement to the steak Diane. Oh, I told you we like ours rare, but this is so good, and it's really quite easy to make. I hope you give it a try. Steak Diane is a classic French dish that consists of pan-fried beefsteak, typically a tenderloin or sirloin, that is seasoned with salt, pepper, and herbs, and topped with a rich sauce. The sauce is usually prepared in the same pan used to cook the steak, allowing the flavors of the meat to infuse into the sauce. Steak Diane is a luxurious and flavorful dish that is perfect for a special occasion or a romantic dinner. So by now you know you can find the recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if so, consider subscribing. I try to post at least 2 times a week, sometimes more. Also, like and comment below. That really helps my channel. So join me right here on Darlene's Table.